This VIP Realty property video is presented by Valerie Vaccaro. Absolutely stunning move-in ready first floor and unit minus 2 bedroom 2 bath condo with over 1,500 square feet of living space. Open floor plan with golf course views from every room. Kitchen has all new stainless steel appliances, 2019, with a 5 years warranty, recessed lighting, granite countertops, tiled backsplash, soft close cabinets, large pantry. Luxury vinyl plank flooring, 30 years manufacturer warranty. Living room has large impact picture windows and impact door leading to lanai allowing for lots of natural light to come through. Sun Tamer window treatments. Master bedroom has tiled walk-in shower, raised vanity with double sinks and plenty of cabinet space, walk-in closet with custom built-ins, custom bypass plantation shutters on sliders leading to screen lanai. Guest room has 2 large closets as well as bypass plantation shutters leading to large screened lanai as well. Kevlar hurricane sheets for lanai sliders, crown moldings, custom ceiling fans, filter water system, updated electrical panel, AC unit 2017, 10 years warranty, water heater 2019, 6 panel doors and so much more. Unit includes covered carport, number 13. A real beauty show and sell. For more information, review the details below or contact Valerie Vaccaro at 631-404-7563.